In here, we're going to discuss one or two challenges that we had. We actually tried doing this whole setup on this breadboard, and I'm going to demonstrate it. So here, ground is this one, and we're using this like 13 volts, you know. So positive will be here, and negative will be here. And we put it in, and we got nothing. So when we asked him, what's your name? I'm sorry.
I don't know. Just call me
R.
R.
Arnov.
Yeah.
When we asked Arnov, he said that perhaps during setup we mistakenly pressed the reset button, and that erased the program on here that we would probably have to plug it into the computer and use the Arduino IDE to get back the program to light this up. So a question I have for you, Mr. Teacher, is I'm going to try this on my own by plugging it into my computer, but is that something that we need to start doing as part of our development protocol? Another question that we had was, some LEDs were lighting up and some weren't. When does an LED blow up? And how can we use this to tell if it's too much power for our LED?